Kobe Bryant, his daughter Gianna, and 7 others were killed in the helicopter. Kobe Bryant's helicopter pilot was told he was too low as he flew through thick fog, which had forced Los Angeles police to ground their fleet, moments before crashing into a hillside in a disaster which killed all 9 on board. The 41-year-old NBA legend and his 13-year-old daughter Gianna died along with 7 others yesterday when the former Lakers star's private Sikorsky S-76 came down in Calabasas, California, and immediately caught fire. Flight data shows the aircraft appeared to get into trouble above the LA Zoo, where it circled for 15 minutes at a very low altitude in the run-up to the crash at around 10 a.m. In a traffic control audio which was recorded shortly before the crash, the pilot of the Sikorsky is told by a controller that you're still too low level to be tracked by radar. This did not appear to be a sign of distress, because the helicopter was actually ascending at the time and the controller was referring to the technical difficulty with reading data rather than warning of an imminent crash. Los Angeles Police Department spokesman Josh Rubenstein confirmed that the force's air support division was grounded yesterday, adding, "The weather situation did not meet our minimum standards for flying." Single quotes. The cause of the crash is under investigation, but the helicopter is known to have turned south towards a mountainous area at around 9:40 a.m., before contacting the control tower at Burbank Airport shortly before 10 a.m. 5 minutes later it hit the hillside at 1,700 feet, near the home of Kourtney Kardashian. One eyewitness said they didn't hear any anomalies with the engine. Scott Dayline, who was one of the first onlookers to contact officials about the crash, told people it seemed to be running fine. He said he believes visibility was at fault. Bryant, an 18-time NBA All-Star, was believed to be heading to the Mamba Academy he founded in Thousand Oaks, for a youth tournament involving his daughter and her teammates Alyssa Altobelli and Peyton Chester.